Sir, how are you doing today?
Yeah, hi. I'm doing great today. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also so great. Thank you for asking. So, you are not able to connect on the video call. What is the reason, sir? You are not a girl. You are a boy. You are a man. You have ability. Huh?
Yeah, I don't have any fear on video call and in a person as well.
Mm-hmm.
But there is some reason. That's why I'm a working professional. So sometime, I don't get much more time to connect on video call. And one of that reason I didn't install the Geo Meet application. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why. That's why I'm unable to
When
connect you on video
someone,
call.
but when someone meet me, I guide them.
Hmm.
Please install your meet app. I want to have a conversation. Okay?
Yes, absolutely right, Mr. Israel. I know very well. You are very, kind person to and advise to others to do like that. Yeah, I know very well. Before I have a lot of the conversation with you, so I know.
You won't believe in me, sir. I have taught, many people. Okay,
Yes,
I have told them that, please told you meet up so that you can have a conversation, face to face and you can improve your English.
yes,
Actually, the most of
yes,
the
yes,
people,
absolutely right.
learners, they are able to connect audio call. But when it comes to
Mm.
talking video call, they say, sir, I have lots of fear. I'm not able to connect on the video call, sir. Sir, I'm not able to connect. I don't know why.
No, it's not like
People
that.
have
Yeah, some people they have a different, they have a fear and they are nervous. So as you can see, I don't have anything. Like I'm not shy person. I don't have a fear right now, and even I'm not scared of you, because I
okay,
know
okay.
how to talk with the people, and yeah, and I also coordinate with the Chinese people here in
Mm-hmm.
English. So yeah, sometimes you need to spoke, in meeting. So
Mm-hmm.
schedule of the meetings over there, we need to discuss each other. So I
Mm-hmm.
know very well. It's you can say it's cup of tea for me, because it's a regular life to me, and we need to discuss,
Yeah,
having a
yeah.
conversation with the yeah.
Because when you talk with a stranger, okay, when you discuss
Mm.
in English, you feel confident and you have confident and you get confident. Okay, so
Yes,
confidence is very
absolutely right.
important. Okay, if you don't have confidence, even you know English, you know all basic rule, advanced rule. When you have fear, when you don't feel confident, you get stuck and you are not able to speak at that time. So confidence is very important, sir. Whenever
Yes,
I
yes,
meet
yes.
someone,
Yeah,
I
I
try to
know very
guide
well.
them. Actually, I make the understand people. Okay, talk
Mm.
on video call and audio call. Practice, without fear, without hesitation. Talk whatever you know. Just try to talk. Okay, at you like about your job, about your daily routine. Try to talk. Unless you speak,
Mm.
how will you speak better English? All right, and how will you become?
Yes, until you're not connect somebody, so it's can't you wanna to improve your English.
Actually,
So
what
we have
happens?
to connect every single
Well,
day with the strangers.
people have fear that when I speak English, people will laugh at me. People judge me. Why are you thinking about the people? People are not feeding you, right? People are not
Absolutely
giving you
right.
money. People are not supporting
Yes.
me. Only who are you are the only you, okay, who supports you, right? Then why do you have fear from
Yes,
the
yes,
people,
yes.
right?
Yeah,
See
I
now
agree. I agree.
you are in Dubai and you are left India and you are working. Who is supporting you? Other people are supporting you? Not, right?
No one will support me right now. Actually, whatever I have and whatever
Okay.
I speak here in front of you, because
Hmm.
of myself, I just do a lot of the hard work. Even I just punish myself as well, because sometimes happen with me. I'm not able to speak, perhaps,
Hmm.
and connect with somebody and a stranger. So that time I feel fear how I'm gonna do talk with them, how I make a great conversation. So
Hmm.
that kind of incident happened with me. But one day I realized if you want to survive in this world, so you have to speak English anyhow. Doesn't matter. Yeah, do you have knowledge, much more knowledge in English or not? No one can comes to and told you and tell you like you have to do and you have to do this. No one can tell you. Whatever you can take a decision, instantly and quickly and just do and make a direction for yourself. Okay,
mm,
if you are not to making direction and not taking a decision, so no one can take decision on you
mm.
for your
Yeah,
future. So you have
have
to
to
do now
take
anyhow.
decision. Okay, you have to take
Yeah,
decision by yourself. If you are able to take decision, believe me, you can do everything, and no one can defeat you in the world. Hmm?
absolutely right, Mr.
Hmm?
Because one thing we are we are going anywhere with ourselves. So we have to do,
Hmm?
some of the people knows very well, how to speak English, but they are, try to make a cool story. They they are try to cool story and they are not try to tell you exact the way how you gonna to improve. You know that's the thing. But if you have a hello, can you hear me?
Hmm. Yes, yes.
If
Okay.
you have a
I think you are
eagerness
facing
and
some network issue.
yeah, sometime I'm just facing the network issue
Hmm.
from my end.
Hmm.
So,
Okay.
like if you have eagerness and craze and you are a stubborn person, so you
Hmm.
definitely do it.
Hmm.
No,
Hmm.
I think no need to take a worry and no need to think about much more. You have to do the practice the way you have to gonna improve.
Hmm.
Literally, I'm honestly because I'm in front
Definitely.
of you.
Yes.
Whatever I know very well, I'm not a. I'm sure very well I'm not to speak like advanced level, but yeah, I'm just manage myself. Okay, so it's good for me.
One day, one thing I want to tell you that you are not beginner. You are not a beginner. Okay, you are intermediate level, sir. Because without fear, without
Mm.
family, you are speaking English with me. Okay, your English is so
Yes.
nice, sir. Don't worry about your English.
Okay.
Your English is so nice.
Yeah, sometime I
Okay.
need to worry about it because sometimes we are stuck because
Hmm.
we are learners.
When
Sometime
you
what
see,
happens?
when you get stuck, I'm telling you one thing. Okay, while
Mm,
speaking, when you get stuck, okay, we have to work on it. Okay, so this thing,
yes,
I
yes,
think this
absolutely
thing,
right.
we just go chat GPT and search, okay, and try to
Mm,
jot down, try to repeat again and again, so
yeah,
that
yeah, absolutely
you will not
right.
forget, and you can able to say, and you are able to say in future, you will be able to say like this. Okay, now what
Yes,
we have
absolutely
sources,
right.
anything you can improve English by yourself.
Yes, yes,
Hmm?
yes, absolutely right.
You see, just because of me, I have called you and you are having conversation with me on the video call. Okay, and I hope that you are
Yeah.
not facing problem and you don't have fear. So in the future, if someone says you please come on the video call, just you will come on the video call and you will have a conversation. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely right. Before I have done so many video calls with
Okay.
co-learners and strangers,
Hmm.
so I don't have a fear because I know very well if I'm not doing like that, I am not discussing something on video call with anyone. So one day I am facing some issue. So that's why earlier I have done the video call conversation. That's the reason.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
That's
Okay.
why.
There was a time when I was a beginner, I had also fear. I was very shy person. I was not able to call. I was not able to speak a single line. But I have removed
Mm.
my fear, agitation. I was very shy. I have thrown. Okay, and I thought,
Yeah,
okay,
you have
if I'm
to.
not right now, right now, then in future I will not be able to improve my English, and I will not speak English good way, good English. Okay,
Yes, yes,
so that is why
absolutely
I
right.
should throw everything. And now, right now, I'm here. I'm a YouTuber, so I can speak English. Okay, with anyone, no problem. They are Indian, maybe they are Indian, Pakistani, Ethiopia, in American, no problem.
Yeah,
I can connect with
I know
them
very
because
well.
I have ability. Hmm?
Mm, that's good.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So
actually, I really
may I
like,
ask you?
this some. Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead, go
please.
ahead.
Okay, so may I ask you some question?
Yeah, why not, of
Huh?
course.
Okay, so when did you come Dubai? When did you come?